If you have recently discovered that you are sensitive to gluten and cannot have wheat chapati, worry not, as there are plenty of gluten-free roti options for you to try out. From ragi roti to jowar chapati, rice roti, cornmeal chapati or makki ki roti, besan ki roti and millet chapatis, you will find numerous ways to make gluten-free chapatis without wheat at home, and it takes only a little effort to make gluten-free makki ki chapati without breaking. Let's make makki ki roti with a rolling pin. To begin with, heat 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water, add half teaspoon of ghee and a little amount of salt. You may add 1/4 teaspoon of methi powder or fenugreek powder. I always add this powder to my chapatis because fenugreek helps keep blood sugar levels low. Now let the water come to a rolling boil. Stir in half cup of makki ka atta and keep covered for 20 to 30 minutes. Then gently bring together the dough. It should be pretty easy. If the dough feels dry, do not hesitate to use a little extra water while bringing it together as a ball. Now sprinkle a little extra water and let it rest for 5 more minutes. We are ready to make makki ki chapati without breaking, and I keep on saying without breaking because cornmeal roti literally remains soft and will become a regular for those who love all things makka, maize or cornmeal. By the way, there is a world of difference between cornmeal and cornflour, so do not confuse them with each other. Cornmeal is makka ka atta and corn starch is corn flour. It is only starch that helps in thickening gravies. Now we are ready to make makki ki chapati without breaking. Take a small ball and rub into dry flour. Make a chapati. You may try making a roundel with a utensil. Roll out the chapati to flatten it more. Cook on a hot skillet on low flame first. Turn the heat to high once you flip the side after a few seconds. Flip the chapati again. Now flip it once more before cooking it directly on the fire. It will puff easily. But if you want to cook the chapati directly on tawa, makki ki roti will still puff, and I'll show you how. Do not forget to apply some ghee after the roti is done to keep it soft. Now this is how we make the gluten-free roti directly on the tawa. Sprinkle a few drops of water. This will create air pockets and help the chapati puff up easily on tawa. Flip the side once you see the bubbles. Flip the side again and press corn chapati gently. Be very gentle and see how it puffs. Again, apply some ghee on one side and enjoy. Enjoy it with a curry of your choice. We relished gluten-free chapati without flour with Oriya style matar aloo tarkari and sirke wale pyaj. I have posted the recipe of pickled onions already, so do check it out. So now if someone asks how to make cornmeal roti or chapati, you have the answer. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and stay tuned to more healthy recipes on Ravneet Bhala's channel. Take care.